Yeah, my name is Pete Daley, and I've been teaching for 20 years. I teach at Hutchinson High School. I've been here for 12 years and then taught 8 years in some rural districts throughout Alaska. Women make up only 4% of the welding industry, so I thought, well, I could do something about that. And so it was kind of multi-pronged, kind of served the needs of the class, but I also wanted to expand my population and grow my program. So I'm hoping that this will end up helping with getting more fed into the program.
My name is Erica Lopez. I am 17 years old. I am graduating 2023 and I go to Hutchinson High. I'm a senior. I'm almost done with everything, and then this program came up and I was like, you know what, might as well give it a chance, and I did, and I learned more than I would have in a year.
My name is Gracie Davis, and I'm originally from Bethel, Alaska. I lived there for 11 years, and I moved to Fairbanks my senior year. I graduated just this last May, and I'm going to school for process tech, and I'm hoping to go and work in Prudhoe Bay.
Being all female, where some of them may have been fearful or had a little trepidation, they've kind of stepped out, and I'm seeing some leaders that maybe wouldn't be so bold if it was a mixed class. So I can see some future leaders running some crews here in not too distant futures.
I just have a lot of respect for Mr. Daley, and like having him actually ask me to help him and wanna teach with me, it's just the coolest thing. With this Women's for the Trades class, I can constantly see everybody's picking each other up. Someone needs help, we're here. You know, there's always someone to help.